So what's up, everybody? Welcome to Mixed Breed Entertainment. This is my Mini Cooper. It's an '04 Mini Cooper S, and I need to put a new timing chain on it.
2021 Mini Cooper S, 2021 Mini Cooper Countryman S, 2021 Mini Cooper Clubman S.
Stop. For some reason my Google started answering. No, stop. But this is my Mini Cooper S. It needs a new timing chain. And so far I have the air system out. As you can see, it's over here. And the next step is to get these wire harnesses out of here. And then I will be taking off the headlight in this whole front bumper here. I'm not for sure how much I'm going to have to take out yet. I do know I have to take that wheel off. I'll have to take this wheel off. I have to take this off, and this right here, the mounting bracket, and some other things, just to get to the timing chain, and hopefully we won't have to go any further than that. I might have to. I'm not for sure. Let's pray that none of the heads are messed up. I'll probably take it all the way down anyways, to the pistons, just to check on, just to see if everything's good and kosher. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting this thing up and going hopefully soon, and I'll be recording the process maybe here in just a minute. So okay, we were able to get the valve cover off, and as I suspected, look at there, look at that, wow, broke that right off there. So hopefully, sorry about that, guys. So hopefully, since we know that it's the timing chain, hopefully it didn't break anything else down inside there. I'm not seeing any, I don't know. We'll see. We did find out what it was. We do know that the timing chain came off. We're hoping that it's not going to be anything else. We hope we don't have to go any further than the timing chain itself. We might get lucky. We'll see. We'll see. So what's up? It's another day. I had to take a break from working on the car last night. As you've seen in the other clip, we did get down all the way to the timing chain to see what was up. It was broken. As you can see right here, the bolt to this gear is broke and is all the way down in there. Now, in order to get to all that, I had to take this wheel off. We had to jack the car up, put it on some stands. We got to take this fender well out right here and get through there. Uh, Once we do that, we'll be able to get this light off. I'm not for sure if we'll have to take this brace off right here, but I do know that there is 2 motor mounts underneath here that has to come off because there is a bolt to one of the tensioners here, or one of these guides, whatever this is here, that is behind that. So we're going to tackle that, and once we get that far, we'll show you how far we got and see what it looks like up in there. And hopefully we don't have no rods bent, no pistons broke, or anything like that. So yeah, love you guys. I'll see you in a minute. So what's up, everybody? It is a new day. I'm in different clothes. I want to give you an update on what I did with the Mini Cooper. So let me turn this light on here. And sorry, you guys. So we got everything out of there, and if you look, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. There is a hole. That is where the sprocket that came off the camshaft had went into the side of the engine. Before I got that far, I thought there was nothing going to be wrong with my engine, because when I tried to turn the crankshaft, the pistons were turning over just fine and it had compression. And then I got to that part and there's a hole. If any of you guys can tell me what I can do about that without having to buy a whole new engine block, please let me know. Because at this point, I'm kind of frustrated, and I don't know really what to do. I do know this. If I take the engine out of the car and tried to fix this myself, it's going to be a lot cheaper, for one. Two, I will know this car in and out. I will know what's in it and what's not in it, what's wrong with it, what's not wrong with it. Not only that, but when I'm done with it and I get it started and it runs, not only will I have hopefully be proud of getting it started, because I've never done this to a vehicle before. So I'm hoping I'll feel some kind of gratitude about, or some kind of pride about it or something, instead of being so frustrated. But everybody keeps telling me, get a muscle car, get a muscle car. Buy this, buy that. But I could fix this for cheaper than what I could buy another car for, and I love my Mini Cooper. So if I take the motor out, I'm just going to turn it into a project car and fix this baby up. So if anybody can tell me what I need to do about that hole right there in the timing chain casing, which is actually the whole engine block. Because uh, here's another question for you guys that are out there watching. If anybody can tell me, I'm pretty sure this is um, a Type 2 engine. Or not a Type 2. I'm sorry, guys. I think it is a Type N14 engine Mini Cooper. It's a '04. But every time I tried, it's a turbo. And every time I try to look on the internet or um, the YouTube, any kind of information on this car, it gives me a different engine. But can you tell me what that means? Is it an N14 type engine? So, yeah, if any of you guys can help me out with that, please comment down below. Tell me what I can do with my Mini Cooper to bring this baby back to life, because I love my Mini Cooper and I don't want to get rid of it. So, stay tuned for part 2, and that part 2 will be the beginning, maybe the beginning, of me tearing the front end of this car off, taking the bumper off, taking all these mounts out, and getting ready to take this engine out and put on a stand so I can start doing what I need to do to this engine. So, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts are. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because every time I get a like on my videos, it helps my videos out. It helps the algorithms in YouTube for my channel to be found a lot more. We do other things than just cars. This is an entertainment channel. We do a lot more. I do paranormal, randonautica, UFOs, aliens, whatever, any kind of entertainment that we want to put out there, that's what we do. But for this right here, this is the car section of our channel. And please, guys, comment down below and help me out, because I've never worked on a car before. And I'm just learning, and I would like to bring this car back to life. So like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for